everybody, I am Eva Rupert with Overland Expo, and this is this year's Ultimate Overland Motorcycle Build. It's a 2024 Ural Gear Up, and this thing is incredible. The Ural as a platform is such a unique motorcycle. First of all, it has 3 wheels, it has a sidecar. The thing is wild to drive rather, but it is a ton of fun. It's been such a great project for us, and I can't wait to show you all the features that we've added onto this bike. We had so many great partners on this year's build. First off, I want to talk about Kalaber creations. All of these white pieces that you see all over the motorcycle are all made by Kalaber. They do a ton of really cool protection and accessories and upfitting components specifically for Urals, and they are one of the best in the world as far as getting these bikes dialed in and ready to travel. Let me show you some of the pieces. Starting up here on the front is this compass-shaped headlight guard. The thing is incredibly sturdy, plus it adds such a cool vibe to the front of the bike. Over here on the nose of the sidecar is this rack. It's all set up with this sort of Molly style lashing system, so you can attach whatever you need right up onto the front here. So over here on the side, we have the doggy door in case your pups are riding on the inside, and we've got a side step. All of these accessories from Kalaber are powder coated white. I just felt like that was such a nice contrast to this bicol blue color that the Ural Gear Up came in this year. We've got a fender rack over here. Also, it's kitted out with all of this Molly type attachment system, so I can strap whatever I need to right over here on the fender, and it is rock solid. Back here on the back is the trunk of the motorcycle, so you can carry a ton of stuff. But underneath this Mosko bag is another one of Kalaber's racks. This is mounted directly to the trunk lid, so as you open and close the trunk, that rack comes with you and you can just swing it open and get at your stuff as you need. There's a couple more Kalaber racks back here. One, this Hitch tray that is super cool. It's carrying our ICECO fridge. And then I've got a shorty tail rack here and a little bumper on the back of the sidecar. One of the things that's unique is Kalaber Creations makes this really cool mount. It's frame mounted, it attaches the winch to the front of the bike, and it attaches this hitch tray to the back of the bike. So it allows you to carry a fridge or whatever kind of gear you need on the back, in addition to having your winch securely mounted on the front. The whole thing is frame mounted to the motorcycle, so it is rock solid, super strong, and can carry a ton of weight. Our lighting partner for the Ultimate Build this year is Denali Electronics. These guys make some incredible lights. They have these new D7 Pros that are fantastic, and we've got a set of D2 running lights down on the sidecar as well. The amount of light that these things put out are incredible. Perfect for getting to your campsite at night, finding your way along a dark dirt road, or just keeping you safe when you're traveling through the city. Light is the key to seeing and being seen. What would a sidecar motorcycle be without a winch? And this year we've got the Superwinch Terra 2500. It's rock solid. It's an ATV style winch, and it's perfect for a vehicle of this size. It is mounted onto Kalaber Creations hitch mount, which is frame mounted. So this winch, if you're winching the motorbike out, is securely fastened to the bike. And the winch itself has a ton of pulling power. I look forward to the day when I can pull a Jeep out of a ditch with it. Our knife partner for the Ultimate Build this year is We Knives, or Civivi. These knives are great. I've got this cool little folder to ride on the tank bag, and then I've got this fixed blade that I've got mounted up here on front. The fixed blades are so good for any of your bushcrafting or campcraft skills that you need, and it's always important to have a perfect little pocket knife close at hand wherever you go. Speaking of tools for campcraft, Forrest tool is our go-to for the Ultimate Build this year. This is the Forrest Tool Max. This thing is awesome. It's an axe-based multi-tool, so the axe is mounted here on the edge of the sidecar, and then all of its attachments are up here in this leather case. This Pro Edition has this beautiful brown leather stuff to keep all the tools and accessories contained up here on the nose of the Ural, and the axe is mounted right here for easy access when you're in camp. Uncharted Supply Co. is our survival partner for the Ultimate Build. We have their First Aid Plus kit here, and then we have their Zeus battery charger here. Both of these are lashed to the fender rack, and Uncharted Supply Co. has some really well thought out survival tools, first aid kit, and battery charger that are perfect to have along with us on every adventure. For luggage on the Ultimate Motorcycle Build this year, Mosko Moto is our go-to. We've got the Backcountry Duffel, and we've got the Reckless 80, plus we've got the Gnome tank bag on the front. These guys make bomb-proof stuff, and as if we didn't have enough storage on the Ural already, Mosko is really great about having clever solutions that have your back in the backcountry no matter what. Their stuff is absolutely bomb-proof, it's waterproof, and it lashes down super easily to the Ural. The Reckless 80 itself can come on and off, so if I needed a lighter weight day and didn't need all this luggage, I can stash this at home, leave it behind, and run the bike without the luggage. Same thing with the duffel bag. Like Kalaber, Mosko also uses this MOLLE system so you can expand their luggage, add on additional pieces as needed, and basically expand or contract your luggage to fit the adventure. Mosko Moto's Gnome tank bag is super unique. Unlike a lot of tank bags that run the length of the tank, the Gnome runs the width. It gives it a really secure fit to a variety of different tank sizes, and here on the Ural, I was able to set it up so the tank bag itself doesn't interrupt where the gas cap is, so no moving your tank bag to get your bike full of fuel. Also up here, I've got our Zoleo satellite communicator. I've got it mounted on the tank bag right now, but what's super important when you're riding is that your satellite communicator, like Zoleo, is on your body. Just in case something happens and you and the bike get separated and you need to call for help, Zoleo is your go-to, but you just want to make sure that this is on your person when you're out riding. So Ram Mounts just came out with a new motorcycle mirror. These right here, it's the Tough mirror, and they are awesome. Gives you a ton of visibility. It's all built on these Ram components, so you can bend them, adjust them as needed, and if you were to tip the bike over, I mean, this is quite a machine to tip over, but if you were to tip the bike over, they would just bend right out of the way. Ram Mounts also just recently introduced a vibration dampener for their phone mount. So the Quick Grip is a tried and true product, and Ram has just added this vibe dampener to kind of take down some of the vibrations and help with any issues that people have with their phones mounted on their handlebars. Killer product, rock solid, and just holds your phone so secure. And you all know you should never go on a motorcycle ride, whether it's on 2 wheels or 3, without a helmet. And our helmet partner this year is Scorpion EXO. This is the XT9000, and this thing is awesome. I've been riding in this helmet for a long time, and I'm so thrilled that they're a part of the build because it's lightweight, it's carbon, it has a huge lens for great visibility, it has a ton of ergonomics, so when you're going down the road at speed, the airflow moves so nicely, and when you're slowed down off-road, you get a ton of breathability as well. It's a great product. It's got this ratchet feature in the lens so you can adjust it as you'd like, and it fits great for a variety of head sizes. This is a first for an ultimate overland motorcycle build. We've got a fridge on the back of the Ural. This is the ICECO APL20, and this thing is awesome. It's an all-weather fridge. It's got a little bit of a retro vibe with some help, of course, from all these nice leather accessories from Kalaber Creations that we put on. But this thing is great. ICECO makes a portable battery that can keep it charged up, and we've got it mounted securely here on this hitch basket. That's from Kalaber Creations. This fridge is awesome. It's super efficient. It has a high capacity for its small size, and it's perfect for keeping your food and your beverages cold when you're headed out camping on the Ural. This thing is an absolute blast to drive, and we are so excited for our adventures on the ultimate overland motorcycle build. Stay tuned to social media and YouTube and the Compass for all of the great editorial that's going to be generated around this motorcycle this year. It's going to be a blast. We're heading on adventures and can't wait to take you guys along with us.